I'm back having a blast in the dish on Oz, and today's show is all about the number 5. 5-ingredient meals that will simple, but they're gonna steal the show. So I'm going to the audience to deliver some coffee that will go perfectly with the breakfast bake you're about to make. Vanessa, what do you got?
Well, let's get started with the croissant breakfast bake.
Croissant.
5 ingredients for this recipe: croissants, ham, cheese, egg, and milk.
Oh, beautiful.
Kick it off for us.
All right. Every breakfast should start out
This
with
is simple.
those 5.
All right, so we're starting with store-bought croissants that we've sliced and put inside the baking dish. Just lay flat. And I'm topping with some Black Forest ham.
Of course.
Come
of
on.
course.
All right, so I've got the layers down, and I'm going to hand it off to Gail.
Beautiful
Top it
job.
off for me, please. What do you have?
So I'm gonna just sprinkle some cheese right on top. Now there's gonna be 2 layers of cheese because cheese.
It should be.
You know, this is the key to a great grilled cheese, is grating the cheese.
It melts it much faster.
It just melts faster and more evenly. You get about half the amount on here, and then you top it. I'm gonna put some cheese on at the end.
Okay, so let's top it with croissants. Now, my weakness is baked goods, and I love a good croissant. So if you don't go to the market and get them fresh, you can also buy them and put them in the freezer.
Those croissants are the devil.
Thank you. Aren't they good? And buttery too?
Oh, they're really not my friend. I just kind of take them in every now and then.
Okay, well then you take these in right here, and what you gonna do with them?
So I'm gonna add in some eggs.
Okay.
Gonna add in some whole milk. I'm gonna mix it together to give it a more custardy kind of smoothness to it.
Nice.
To help it bind together. And I'm gonna add in this everything bagel seasoning. Now, I've never had this. You guys say it's amazing.
everybody
y'all know
has
about
it.
it? Y'all know about it?
Yes.
It's a New York staple?
New York's everything
Well, I
bagel?
am a Southern girl, so let's not be, all right.
We won't
Everybody
judge.
Everybody,
We'll leave it up to you.
everybody just take a deep breath.
It's all right.
It's okay. She's a Southern girl.
All right.
What do you think?
It's like what?
Salty, savory,
Everything.
well-rounded. It's like almost like oh.
It's the bagel without the bagel. That's what it is, right?
So good. This seasoning is good on everything. It's one of those things that if you have it
Oh
in
my
your pantry,
God! Why
it
haven't
goes
I
in
just?
eggs, it goes on roasted
Everything.
veggies. Like
And it's going to
everything.
Memphis, Tennessee.
There we go. All right.
How about that,
Nice.
ladies?
So you got to
Okay,
pour
so-
that right on top there.
And then this goes, after you pour it, it goes in the oven.
Yeah.
Okay, look at that.
And it's all going to get in all the nooks and crannies of the
easy.
croissant.
So easy. Do you put more cheese on top?
Yes.
Oh, you're ready
wait,
to go.
Yes, you do.
And you know what, ladies?
And I'm just like dragging stuff. Wait, let's get
part
all
about
the other
this.
things. Let me get all
You can do this
that.
the night before, y'all, and you can let it sit, and it all just kind of soaks up all that
boy.
egg.
Right.
Oh, so then you can sleep in
Lovely.
later.
Oh yes, definitely.
Sort of like a savory bread pudding.
Oh, yeah. Don't be cute with the cheese,
Such a
Gail.
good, such a, you're right.
Cheese,
You're
yeah.
right.
Just put it in
Be
there, yeah.
cute. Come on.
There we
There's
go.
some good in there too.
All right, so we're gonna put this in the oven.
Put this down for me, Vanessa.
Here, I'm gonna help you
I'm just a little short lady.
All right, big
This
tiny
is a
cake
big
in the oven.
oven.
Well, while they're back there, can we kind of look at this
Thank you.
deliciousness?
Got it.
Okay.
Man, that's
While y'all dawdle back there, we're gonna scoot.
Don't you just love the TV world when everything's already ready to go?
Oh yes.
Perfection.
Perfection.
Cut one
Shimmy,
up.
shimmy,
Look
shimmy.
at that ooey-gooey.
Yum, yum.
Give it
I'm
this
going
slow
here.
pull. Come on, Gail.
Here you go.
This
ready?
is the part that you're waiting for. When you bring this to the table for breakfast, and you're like, everybody's like, oh my goodness. There we go.
Can I play? Can I play?
Oh my God.
So,
You keep running off. You keep running away.
I was hoping. I was caffeinating in the audience.
Okay, just get in
This
there.
is how you. Is in our house? This is what we do.
Yes.
There we go.
You know, I'm taking one to Daphne, but I can guarantee she won't even get close to this. The grandkids
God,
won't give it a
it's
shot.
Tear it apart.
This is
love that
this is
combination.
so good.
That's
Like,
seasoning.
this is amazing.
Wow.
Especially if you're entertaining and you want to be there for your guests. You don't be in the kitchen all the time.
For brunch, to serve
Right,
this for brunch?
just lay it right out with some mimosas and go at it.
Make
The party
it in
in your
advance.
mouth.
It's a party in your mouth. Yeah.